Stay happy, diba? Huwag mo babayaan sa sarili mo. Enjoy your life. Yun lang. Take care always. Happy birthday!
Pet, sobrang happy birthday. Huwag kang magbabago sana. Kahit, alam mo naman, pag-asenso, kasama na yan. Maraming salamat sa pagiging maunawain. Tapos sa lahat ng memories from street dance, saka doon sa bahay. Sobrang maunawain mo. Maraming salamat.
Okay, Peds, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Go!
Happy birthday, Pet! More birthdays to come. Sana matapos natin yung course natin pareho. Happy birthday!
Hi, Pets. Happy birthday. Go.
Hi, Papa P! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Sana maging happy ka lagi. Nandito lang kami para sa'yo. Good friend. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Pedro! Kahit tayo close, more birthdays to come. Sana ang tawag sa pag-aaral mo. Yun lang, happy birthday!
Wala pa. Go.
Hello kayo, Pet! Happy birthday! More chicks to come, siya. Hindi, more blessings to come. Tapos sana mag-study hard. Tapos na pag-aaral mo. Tapos sana maging active ka na sa choir. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Birthday, Pet! Ingat ka, game lang. Hello, Kuya Pet! Happy birthday! Thanks to come. Thank you!
Asa mo, boss mo? Alam mo, hindi ko nag-aram pre kung paano sisimulan to eh. Pero na, mahirap na. Mahirap na lang. Talaga hindi ko alam paano sisimulan. Kaya, pasensya mo sana kung ba't ako nagkakadala ko. Ano naman problema ko, wala. Text na naman ka. Happy birthday. Sana natupad mo yung mga pangarap mo, di ba? Kahit naman, parang tayo may pangarap, gusto matupad mo yun. Sana mas maayos pa yung samahan natin. Grupo ng bahay birthday, mga kapailan boys. Kung mayroon kayo sa paglulungkot, no problem yan. Kumbaga, tayo dito pa rin, okay pa rin tayo. Magsama ng maligaya. May maayos na komunikasyon. Saka yung wala namang awayan, di ba pa rin? Happy birthday. At more birthdays to come. And always pray to God. Kung ano mang problema na dumating sa iyo buhay, alam naman natin na pagsubok lang yan. Tulad yan ang oras na dumating sa atin, di ba? Yung tinawagan ka pa sa basta wala lang yun. Diba parang isang hamon lang yun ang pagsubok sa buhay. Talaga dumarating sa atin na talagang kumisan di mo akalain na nangyari pala talaga. Yun na lang pala. Happy birthday.
My birthday, Kuya Pets. My birthday to come. Sana, mawait ka naman eh. Yun lang.
Kaya, happy birthday po, Kuya Pet. Sana po nakakabago. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga natulong mo sa amin. Sana po, lagi lang kayo bago.
Happy birthday, Kuya Pedro. Bale, 26 years old ka na. sabihin sa'yo for birthday to come, birthdays to come, good health, and sana huwag ka magbabago. Basta namimiss ka na namin, namimiss na namin yung, ano wala na kasi Joker. Happy birthday to
Ivy! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come!
Go!
Pes, happy birthday!
Times do I daydream about making love to you and take you to a special place where it's only me and you. I'll put away all your troubles on the other side of the world and wrap my arms around your heart and tell you you're my girl. So let's go steal away in the night and we'll go far away from here. Where our love is right. Can I take you to my world? Whenever you're sad, whenever you're crying, I'll be the one who wipes away your tears. Whenever you call, whenever you need me, I'll be the one who runs to you, giving my love. Well, you know how much I love you, so you better not let me down. I'm not asking for too much, baby. Just stick around. A quiet day in the country or a rainy night in my room. We'll hide away under my sheets if the morning comes too soon. An afternoon in your eyes, a lifetime in your heart. Forever just ain't long enough, but at least it's a good start. sad. Whenever you're crying, I'll be the